Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we completed chapter 1. Now we'll start chapter 3. Chapter name is coordinate geometry. कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन होता है जिससे हम कार्टेशियन प्लेन यानी कि ग्राफ पर शो करते हैं। इसके यूजेस होते हैं कि कोऑर्डिनेट की पोजीशन को शो करना, कोऑर्डिनेट्स की पोजीशन को शो करना। इन दिस ग्राफ देयर आर टू लाइंस, वन इज हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन एंड अदर इज वर्टिकल लाइन। Horizontal line is called x-axis. This is x-axis horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis. This is x-axis. And vertical line is called y-axis. This is y-axis. On right hand side there are positive number on x-axis. On left hand side there are negative numbers on x-axis. On upper side there are positive number on y-axis. Positive 1 plus 2 and plus 3. And on down side there are negative numbers -1 -2 -3. Now when horizontal line and vertical line meets they are make origin. This is the origin where vertical lines and horizontal line meets, and points of origin is 0 0. Vertical line and horizontal lines divide into 4 parts: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant both x and y positive numbers, and in second quadrant first x-axis is negative and y-axis is positive, and in third quadrant both negative numbers, x-axis and y-axis also both negative numbers, and in fourth quadrant x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative. So x-axis called abscissa and y-axis is called ordinate. हम कभी भी जब भी पोजीशन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं सबसे पहले x-axis लिखते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट y-axis. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 3, तो 2 क्या होगा इसमें x-axis का पॉइंट होगा और 3 क्या होगा y-axis का. सो सबसे पहले हम फॉर एग्जांपल 2 और 3 को ड्रॉ करना है. हेयर इज़ 2 ऑन x-axis and here is 3 on y-axis. Draw a parallel perpendicular line on 3 and 2 where meet 2 and 3. This is point 2 and 3. Next point is 0 and 3. 0 is here and 3 is here. So 0 3 point is on y-axis. Next point is 2 and 0. 2 is here and 0 is here. So 2 point is here. Now next point is -2 -3. -2 and -3 is the third quadrant. -2 is here and -3 is here. Draw a perpendicular line and where meet, this is the point -2 and -3. Again I will repeat. In first quadrant both positive numbers, and in second quadrant x-axis is negative and y-axis is positive, and third quadrant both negative numbers, and in fourth quadrant x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative. Now we will start sums. Now exercise 3.1 first sum. How will you describe the position of table lamp on your study table to another person? एक स्टडी टेबल पर एक टेबल लैंप पड़ा है, वो एक सेकंड पर्सन है, वो उसकी पोजीशन कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल हम इसके फ्रंट में हैं तो फ्रंट की पोजीशन शो होगी. अगर इसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है तो लेफ्ट की पोजीशन फॉर एग्जांपल होगी. जो फॉर एग्जांपल हम फ्रंट में बैठे हैं तो इसको हम टू यूनिट लेट करते हैं टेबल लैंप से, एंड अगर लेफ्ट में बैठे हैं तो 1 यूनिट लेट करते हैं. सो द पोजीशन ऑफ टेबल लैंप इज 1 feet फ्रॉम लेफ्ट एज and 2 feet from front edge. So 1 and 2 is the position of table lamp. Now exercise 3.2 first question. Write the answer of each of the following question. First question part is, what is the name of horizontal and vertical lines? Draw to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane. What is the name of horizontal line? I also say that horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. What is the name of each part of plane formed by these two lines? What is the name of each part of plane formed by these two lines? Quadrant, I also say that quadrant. There are total on 4 quadrant: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. What is the name of point where these two lines intersect, origin. Now exercise 3.2 second question. See figure 3.14, write the following. See the diagram and answer the following questions. The coordinate of B, you tell the coordinate of B. Here is B point, so coordinate of B. What is the point of B? X-axis is -5 and y-axis is 2. Then coordinate of B is -5 and 2. Then coordinate of C, where is C point? Here. C point is here, and x-axis of C point is -3. No, sorry, x-axis of C point is -5 and y-axis is also -5, +5. C point is here, x-axis is +5 and y-axis is -5. Now the point identified by the coordinates -3 and -5. इसमें क्या करना है, हमने पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं, उसका पॉइंट उसका नेम क्या है. सो -3, वेयर इज -3? Here. And -5 on downside E, then point is E. The point identified by the coordinates 2, -4, 2 and -4. Where is 2 and -4? Here. So point name is G. In which quadrant? Now exercise 3.3 first question. In which quadrant or in which axis do each of the points lie? Verify your answer by locating them on Cartesian plane. First point is -2, -4. -2 is here and -4 is here. So point here. So in second quadrant, now second point 3 and -1. X-axis is 3 and y-axis is -1. So in fourth quadrant, -1 and 0. X-axis is -1 and y-axis is 0. So x-axis, these -1 and 0 lie on x-axis, 1 and 2. Now x-axis point is 1 and y-axis is 0.2. So first quadrant, both positive numbers, so first quadrant lie. -3 and -5. X-axis is -3 and y-axis is -5. So in third quadrant lie. If both number are negative, then in third quadrant lie. Now our third chapter is completed. Thanks.